Buy books online. Buying books online is a convenient way to access a wide range of titles, from bestsellers to rare editions. Whether you're looking for physical books, ebooks, or audiobooks, online bookstores offer numerous options with competitive prices and home delivery. Choosing the right platform, verifying book quality, and considering factors like pricing and shipping can help you make the best purchase. 1. Choose a trusted online bookstore. There are many online bookstores that cater to different reading preferences. Some platforms specialize in new books, while others offer used or discounted books. Popular online bookstores provide detailed descriptions, customer reviews, and book previews to help you make an informed decision. 2. Select the format: physical book, ebook, or audiobook. Physical books. Traditional hardcovers and paperbacks are great for collectors and those who prefer a tangible reading experience. Ebooks. Digital books are instantly accessible on devices like Kindles, tablets, and smartphones. Audiobooks. Perfect for multitasking, audiobooks allow you to listen to stories while commuting or working. 3. Compare prices and discounts. Check multiple bookstores to find the best price for your book. Look for seasonal discounts, promo codes, and membership benefits that can help you save money. Consider buying used books if you want more affordable options. 4. Verify book condition and seller ratings. If you're buying used or secondhand books, ensure they are in good condition by checking the seller's description and ratings. Some platforms provide grading systems such as like new, good, or acceptable to indicate the book's condition. Check shipping options and delivery time. Standard versus express shipping. Choose based on how quickly you need the book. International shipping. If ordering from overseas, check for customs fees and estimated delivery times. Free shipping offers. Some platforms provide free shipping on bulk orders or subscriptions. 6. Secure your payment and order. Use trusted payment methods such as credit debit cards, PayPal, or digital wallets. Ensure the website has secure encryption HTTPS to protect your personal information. Keep track of your order confirmation and tracking details for delivery updates. 7. Consider subscription services for more savings. Ebook and audiobook subscription services. Some platforms offer monthly subscriptions for unlimited access to digital books. Membership discounts. Some bookstores provide loyalty programs and exclusive deals for frequent buyers. Buying books online is a cost-effective and convenient way to expand your library. By choosing reliable platforms, comparing prices, checking book quality, and ensuring secure transactions, you can enjoy a smooth shopping experience. Whether you prefer paperbacks, digital editions, or audiobooks, online bookstores provide endless options for every reader.